Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining me today for this painting video, whether you paint with oil or acrylic. I hope you will find it useful, especially if you want to create realistic seashore and foam. Okay, so now I'm covering the canvas for my first experiment, and I'm gonna do oil pouring on top of oil paint. So I used this way of painting before for my oil seascape, and it kind of helped me a lot to create natural flow of waves and foam on the sand. As for my next experiment, I'm gonna try it with acrylic paint. Firstly, I'm covering the canvas with oil paint again as in my previous one, but then to create pouring mix, I'm adding acrylic paint, some amount of water and small amount of oil paint in medium. As you may see, the try result became awesome. It has unique shapes and shadows similar to real sea foam and waves, but only then I found information from some experienced artists stating the following.
The mission here is if I wanted to do acrylic over the top of this, it's a no-no. Remember that. You cannot paint acrylic over oil painting. You wouldn't notice it right away because it would look pretty good. But what happens is the oil dries at a different pace than the acrylic. The acrylic is a plastic material, a polymer. And putting that over an oil base, which doesn't really dry out, it takes years over that, you'll have a tendency of cracking and separation of the two materials.
So that's why I came up with a simple idea. I decided to coat my paintings with resin, which will help me to save them.